Hi, meteorologist Chris Haddings here with your weekly weather outlook for the week beginning February 19th. And we'll start with a quick overview for those of you that don't want to watch the whole video. Friday into Saturday night, it'll turn colder, periods of snow beginning Friday. Continuing mainly into Saturday night, could be something lingering into early Sunday. Then it turns quite cold Sunday into Monday. The coldest day is going to be Sunday. Coldest night will be Sunday night. Could be below zero in some of those normally colder areas with a fresh snow cover. Should see some moderation as we head toward Tuesday. Then Wednesday into Thursday could be a chance of snow Wednesday or Thursday. Looks unsettled, but the details, as always, this far out look a little bit muddled. Now, for those of you who want the details, stay tuned because here we go. Start with the temperature trend. As you can see, starting Friday temperatures, those are pretty close to normal, 30s and 40s. You can see the sharp drop off as the cold front moves through. Could have falling temperatures all day on Saturday. And then on Sunday, some places not getting out of the teens with below zero temperatures Sunday night and the Monday morning. Then a little bit of a rebound on Monday, then Tuesday and Wednesday getting back closer to normal, but looks like none of those really warm periods like we had about a week ago when we had highs in the 50s and 60s. Those are gone for quite a while. And for Friday and Saturday, main story is going to be the snow moving in. Snow will spread across the area on Friday from west to east and from north to south. Could see it start off as a little bit of a rain snow mix as temperatures are going to be close to 40 degrees in a lot of the areas, especially the lower elevations. And the heaviest snowfall on the favored northeast upslope locations, places like Lander, eastern slopes of the Wind Rivers, as well as southern Absarokas and also Casper Mountain. As far as the mountains, most of the lower elevations in the Wind River Basin, also across Natrona County, looking for probably between about 2 to 4, maybe locally 5 inches, maybe as much as a foot in some of the higher elevations. Maybe a little less in the Bighorn Basin, but the models don't handle things very well up there, so we'll have to keep an eye on that. And then temperatures will fall into Sunday, and pinpointing the time of the heaviest snow is kind of difficult since this is a fairly complex system with little bits of energy coming down. So could be a chance of snow just about any time during that period. Heading to Sunday and Monday, looks mainly dry and cold. Now, this isn't going to be as cold as the cold snaps that we had, say, back in the middle of November and also the end of December, beginning of January. We're not going to be seeing any 30, 40 belows out of this stuff. But it is going to be noticeable since we've kind of been living a charmed life recently with all the warm weather, especially last week. Snow should end by Sunday morning, and then the coldest temperature Sunday and Sunday night. You can see top picture is high temperatures. A lot of places not getting out of the teens and below zero for a lot of the colder locations as we head towards Sunday night, Monday morning. Temperatures will moderate a little bit as we head toward Monday, but it's still going to be quite cold out there, mainly the function of albedo, basically. The sun's rays getting reflected rather than absorbed by the ground with all that fresh snow cover. Snow is the best thing that we have as far as reflecting sun and keeping things chilly. And Tuesday into Wednesday looks like we'll see moderating temperatures, mild for Tuesday. Take a look at this model here. It's the GFS called the Global Forecast System. Now, as always, once you get out this far, it's 6, 7 days out. The models aren't perfect, obviously, but it gives us an idea of what's going to happen. You can see the area of high pressure. If I can get this to work, there we go. Over North Dakota, look at the way the lines are aiming out of Alaska and out of Canada. So that's some colder air dropping down to the area. We'll see that as we head toward the 8 to 14 day outlook on the next slide. And also, the next chance of precipitation will be moving in. You can see some green there. Now, the details of this, obviously, it's a long way out, so still some muddled details on there. The European has more of a westerly flow, which would hit the western areas a little harder, so stay tuned on this. Now, as we take a look at the 8 to 14 day, as most of you that watch the news know, much of the eastern part of the U.S. has been very, very cold, and that looks like it's going to continue with all the fresh snow cover, maybe a couple more storms, well below normal across the eastern half of the U.S. We're going to be right on the edge with the jet stream hugging the area. The my best bet, I'd say, in this period, the coldest temperatures will probably be in the eastern parts of the states, and still be closer to the Arctic air coming down, a little bit warmer as you get toward the west. And as far as precipitation, calling for above average across portions of the southwest, but that's just a very small chance. Most areas look like they're going to be fairly even. So it looks like all in all, winter making a return, but nothing too bad that we can't handle. This is Wyoming after all. And that's the video. You have any questions, give us a call anytime or want forecast, log on to our website, weather.gov/Riverton.